Here is the beautiful flow journal that I received from Chauvin. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Anyway, here it is. It's beautiful. Here's the back. Look at that, beautiful. I love this yarn that it's tied with. That's gorgeous. And a cute bird, and she really outdid herself on everything inside. So over here I've got a little pocket, and there were a bunch of tags that she included in this journal, which they're not wanting to stay in, of course, because I'm not in a good place for doing this. Anyway, she made, I really love this one, and I love this fabric on it. That's a little note she included to me. This is a little paper clip she did. Here's another tag, and again, I love that Chauvin type fabric. Okay, and she included two of these, I don't know if they're painted or sprayed or what, they're coffee filters anyway. She included two of those. I really like those. Those would make great pockets in a journal. Okay, so let's get on over here to the journal. So this, I believe this is wrapping paper. That's going to be a really big piece because that's like folded in fourths, I believe. All right, then cooperate. And then there's, stop thing, tissue paper. And this is beautiful tissue paper that she has stuck in here. And then there are these rectangular doilies, which I have none of these, so I'm really happy to get that. And then here's more tissue. This, well, I mean, it's printed, but it feels like pattern tissue. And then there's some doilies stuck in here. And then I believe that this is wrapping paper also, which is gorgeous. And this doily here, I love that. I have not seen one of those before. And then here's some more wrapping paper, some more doilies. Again, I think this is wrapping paper. It's beautiful. Then we have tissue paper here. This is beautiful. I have not seen tissue paper like this. And another doily. Some more doilies. Then this paper here with flowers that you could cut out and make easily into tags. And then this here, again, I think this might be wrapping paper. Not positive. Okay, and then we have some napkins stuck in here. And these are very pretty napkins that we have stuck in there. Oh, and I should, let me get back to this to center out. It's right here somewhere. Oh, here. So she used these bands to hold her signatures in. I think that's a really neat idea. So there's these elastic bands. Okay, and then obviously this stuff would be just the reverse because that's the first signature. Then she did a second signature. So here is like the paper out of a book. There's a page number on it. It's like painted. Oh, maybe it's painted music paper. Okay, and then there's this little painted paper here. Then this paper here. This is like a tissue paper, a lightweight wrapping paper. Another paper that she's painted. And some tissue paper. Another painted page. I really hate it when things don't cooperate with me. Yeah, another painted page. This is obviously painted or sprayed. I'm not sure what exactly material that is. And we have some tissue. And this is a really pretty think it's a tissue paper. I'm not sure if she added some kind of glaze to it. I'm not sure. It's really neat. And there's some more tissue. Some cute tissue there. It's got really like a wide variety of tissue papers. I think that's a wrapping paper, a painted paper, tissue. This is a paper that's painted. I don't know if that's like a tracing paper she painted on. I'm not sure. A cute doily. Some tissue paper. Another page that's been painted. Then we have some napkins. And so then we're at the center of that signature. So let me just skip over to the end of that signature. And then she included a third signature. She really went above the requirements for this swap. So this gorgeous wrapping paper here with butterflies. This beautiful doily, colored doily. More, I believe these are all wrapped, but these are really nice papers. Another large doily. This is like a tissue paper or a very lightweight wrapping paper. It's very pretty. Another doily. Tissue paper. And this is beautiful. Where did you get these from? These printed doilies. I love those. Okay, piece of plastic. Then I think this is wrapping paper. A doily. Tissue paper. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Like, South American tree frog type print. And we got some tissue paper, and this tissue paper, let me see if I can get this open, has this in the middle. So I'm assuming this is like a protective sheet. And then there's this clear, that's gorgeous. And then we have some napkins. And then of course we're in the center of the signature. I'm going to go ahead and flip to the back because almost everything is the same. So you saw that piece of plastic. It's actually a bag of feathers that she has put into the signature. And then here is the back inside cover. And she's got a little pocket there. And then this is how she put the bands in. Anyway. I am very happy with this swap. I will be doing a video later on of the one that I'm making for her, but I won't post it until she actually gets her flow journal, but I'm going to do a tutorial video on making a flow journal. So keep your eyes out for that, and everybody have a happy crafty day.